Tom, you're the kind of guy I think I should ask this question to. What do you do if a company outgrows their space in the food business in particular?
Well, that's exactly our situation. We outgrew our space a couple of years ago and we're struggling, and we know many other businesses in that situation. So we got together and conceived the idea of Organic Central.
And what's Organic Central?
Organic Central is essentially a building where multiple food processors of like mind, especially in the organic food sector, will get together, will actually physically co-locate and thereby share the cost of the building, share some infrastructure and resources, maybe even share some human resources, especially areas like communications or HR, and be able to even transact back and forth without having a long distance transportation.
Could you say it's kind of like a co-op, but not sharing the profits?
Correct.
Sharing the resources, the contacts?
I would call it a collaborative. So
Okay.
we do not have, legally speaking, a cooperative structure, because they are, in fact, independently owned and operated businesses, but we collaborate and we're very transparent and we share equipment, resources, people, maybe transportation routes and distribution channels and inputs and so on.
Now, why is there a need to create it now and maybe not 10 years ago when people had the same problem? Is there a benefit of doing it now?
Well, I can only speak to the organic food sector, but 10 years ago, businesses were small, were going well, but as the food market grows, and organic food is more than 2% of the food in Canada, these companies have now grown out of their building, and they have to move somewhere to a larger facility.
So where are you thinking of locating this one building?
Well,
this will be the first one.
This would be the first one that we know of, exactly, and because I'm in central eastern Ontario, south of Ottawa, we're going to locate it close to my home, and I know a lot of businesses in that area who share that need with me.
And when do you see this happening?
We've been working on the idea for about 3 years, so the idea is well mature, and we have a website, organiccentral.ca, that explains the concept. We have a couple of properties that we're looking at, but right now we're in the phase of financing. So we need to secure a couple $1 million from some wealthy partners to make it happen.
Great, so for more information to send that money to would be?
Contact us at organiccentral.ca.